Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava mobile guys security setting, and today video title is guys how to remove Lava mobile lock screen password. Friends, you don't want to use Lava mobile lock screen password, so how to remove lock screen password in Lava mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your Lava mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava mobile. So friends, close it and friends click here Lava mobile security setting. After on security setting friends, click here password setting. After on password setting friends, click here screen lock. And friends, you want to remove your screen lock, so enter your first device pin password, and once you have pattern lock, so draw pattern next. And once you can change password, once you want to set new password, so you can set new password in your Lava mobile. And once if you click none option, so guys your lock screen password will delete and you cannot use Lava mobile lock screen password. And guys fingerprint lock and fence face lock will also delete if you delete your screen lock. So fans, you have face lock, fingerprint lock. So if automatically face lock and fingerprint lock will delete if you remove screen lock. So fans, I don't want to use screen lock, so I will remove screen lock. After remove fans, you can see screen lock will off, face lock will off, and fingerprint lock will off. And fans, on your lock screen fans, you cannot use any lock. And fans, you want to use swipe lock, so fans, open your phone security setting, password setting, screen lock, swipe lock setting, and fans you can use your Lava by swipe lock. Then swipe here and you can unlock your phone. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to remove lock screen password in Lava mobile.